Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about a very powerful oil called thyme oil, Thymus vulgaris, for Candida. Okay, now here are the Candida symptoms. You have fatigue, you have memory issues, brain fog, you're kind of spacey, numbness, tingling, neurological issues, you can't sleep, muscle aches, a lot of bloating, abdominal pain, constipation, vaginal itching, PMS, anxiety, mood disorders, and all the blood sugar disorders that I talked about for insulin resistance, rectal itching, nasal itching, loss of voice, white tongue, headache, and there's even more too, but these are all the symptoms. So if you have these symptoms and you have Candida, you might want to use this oil because it's a powerful antiseptic. It's a powerful thing to destroy funguses and yeast and Candida in the body without harming the friendly fungus or the friendly yeast. And it's also really good for bladder infections. Now, if you have Candida, you must do intermittent fasting because intermittent fasting stimulates autophagy, and autophagy cleans up old fungus, yeast, viruses, and Candida out of the cell. Okay, and then make sure you cut down your sugars and do a healthy keto plan because that alone will starve off the Candida and your blood sugar symptoms will go away. All right, thanks for watching.